My name is Dan Kochalski. I'm a vehicle fitter and I've worked for the company for a year. What I like about the company is it's a good environment to work, they look after the employees and it's a clean place to work. What's important about my job, we support the operations of the company 24/7 and we maintain the fleet, keep it in a roadworthy, safe condition.
Be dwi'n hoffi fwyaf am fy job i ydy dod i gwaith bob dydd a gweithio efo tîm mor dda sy'n gweithio'n dda fe gilydd i fi, mae hynny'n y gwahaniaeth i gyd.
I really like my job. I feel we make a real difference to keeping customers informed when they do have problems with their water supply. This is very important because it can be very worrying for customers when their water goes off or they suffer poor water quality. And I feel we really make a difference in our office.
The reason why I like this job is the variety. Genuinely, no 2 days are the same. I feel very privileged to be able to engage with Welsh Water's customers in their leisure time and when they're enjoying such a fantastic site and enabling us to educate them as to why this type of habitat is so important.
Rwy'n hoffi y pobl rydw i'n gweithio gyda. Mae pawb yn gyfeillgar iawn yma. Mae'n teimlo fel ni'n gyd yn rhan o un tîm. Mae'r amgylchwedd yn dda i gweithio yn dda hefyd.
I think my job is important. There's always something to improve. I think there's a real ethos in the business now to improve things for our customers, which makes a real difference to them and how we deliver things.
It's a job I've been doing since 1999, and if somebody had told me in 1999 that I'd be driving a 44-ton articulated vehicle full of shit, I'd have laughed at them. But it's a job I really enjoy, and it's probably the single best job I've ever had, and long may it continue until my retirement.
The best thing about my job is the variety, the different colleagues that we work with, providing the support for the jobs that they have to do, giving them the benefit of my experience and offering a good customer service all round.
Ni'n enjoyo'n job a mae'n bwysig bod ni'n rhoi gwasanaeth da i'r cwsmeriaid a mae'n bwysig hefyd bod ni'n amddiffyn yr amgylchedd.
What I like about this job is my work colleagues. Everybody's really friendly, always there to help. Makes coming to work worthwhile. It really is a good place to work.